2:14. Oh my gosh, I really don't know what to do, guys. There's something not right with my house. I've just been woken up to like the strangest sounds ever, and it's like the same ones that I was hearing in my last house, and it's coming from above me, and above my bedroom is I don't know if the camera heard that. I'm hearing them right now. I'm actually panicking, I don't know what to do. I don't know if the camera picked it up or not. But above this bedroom is the gym. Please tell me you guys are hearing this. But like I said, I got woken up to it. But I was actually being so bad, it's not even funny. Like, do I go check it out and go up there? But it's so late and I really don't want to go up because it's like really scary. There. I don't know what to do. And everyone in my house is asleep. Normally I'm still awake, but I had a busy day today, so I was tired. I'm actually scared, I don't want to open my door. Because what if whatever it is outside my door? There's actually something not right with my house. I was saying this before, and now it's actually happening again. But I just thought I'd like grab my camera straight away, because it's literally just been happening. Not even 5 minutes before I recorded. Because whatever it is, I want to try and capture on camera for you guys, and for myself to look back on. But I think I might go up in the cinema, not the cinema, the gym. Or just look around upstairs. I really don't know what to do. Okay, I bought the courage and I'm gonna go. The cinema door's open. Oh, it's pounding. I don't want to go in. This room is above my bedroom, so it has to be from here. I just don't know. Guys, it's coming from the secret room. Guys, I've got to open the door. I'm gonna do it. I've got to open the door. I'm already hearing noises. Okay, let's just go in. Oh my god. So this is empty. Also guys, I've actually done a video in here before. I put my gaming setup in here. Oh wait, so this is empty. Oh no. Please don't tell me that whatever is making this noise, it's in the secret room. What's in another secret room? Basically this room here, I've never ever been in it, but I've like looked, opened the door, and it's so creepy in there. Oh, I really don't want to go in, but I need to find out what's like bothering me all the time, what's keeping me up and making all these weird noises. So I just need to be brave, guys, and just go in. Wish me luck. Okay, I'm just gonna open it. That is so creepy. Oh no, I'm having second thoughts. I don't want to go in there, guys. Ugh. want to go. I don't want to go any further. This is so weird. What the heck? What's all of this?
Oh, hey, son.
My camera. What the heck was that? Please tell me you guys heard that. Oh. I'm telling you, whatever is making this noise is in that room. I heard it. Oh, I can't breathe. Guys, I know I should have gone in further. I know you all probably want me to, but I can't. I'm out of breath, guys. Just think about what actually just happened. So whatever is making this banging is right where I just was. I was this close to finding out what it was, but I just can't go any further in that weird vent thing. I can't do it on my own, guys. But I don't know. Actually, Isla's coming to my house in a few days. So I could try and convince her to go in there with me, and then would go right to the end and find out what it is. Oh, my camera. But I don't think she'd want to. After I'm hearing it again. I don't know how I'm gonna sleep now, guys. It's 3 AM now. Exactly. But I suppose I just have to get Isla to go there with me and then find out what it is once and for all. I'm actually sweating, look at my face. Oh, that's so weird. I probably just woke everyone up as well because I literally just jumped down the stairs. Oh no, I don't know what to do.